I'm thirsty. Let me get me something to drink. Yeah, there's juice packs. Nah, I don't think so. Diet Mountain Dew, yuck. Milk, nah. The Yoohoo.
I'm sorry.
Man, I'm thirsty.
Difference it'll make in your life. Turn off chronic pain with Icy Hot Smart Relief.
Fire means flavor with Golden Corral's new Fresh Fire.
Listen to new salon quality cutting hair. Medicine leaves formulated in Italy.
I thought I had a Yoohoo in here. Papa, was that the last Yoohoo?
I don't know if it was the last Yoohoo. Did you check to see if that was it?
Yes, I did check, and that was the last Yoohoo. And I wanted it.
Well, I was thirsty and I have it. I got it before you. So, I guess you're out of luck.
That was my Yoohoo. I wanted it. And there's only one way to settle this. Nerf War! I gotta go find me some weapons. I could hit him with this. The Nerf Mega Big Shock. I know I have another one. I can throw a bullet at him. Nah. There it is, the Nerf Mega Roto Fury.
What was that? Man, I gotta find me a weapon. I gotta have something in here. A paintbrush? No. Use a paintbrush. Am I gonna do painting? Ha! That'll work. Oh, wait a minute. Ha! Dark. There we go. Whoa. If you want to see me kick Gabe's butt, hit that like button. That's it.
You shoot like a noob.
Really? I shoot like a noob, do I? We'll see about that. Why are you running? Don't run from me. Oh, there you are. Okay. We'll see about a noob. You missed me. Who shoots like a noob now?
If you want to see me kick my papa's butt, hit that like button. And I will get that Yoohoo from you.
If you think you're going to get that Yoohoo from me, you better get a little bit better shot than that. Oh no, I'm out of bullets. I gotta give me another gun.
He has no bullets. Now's my chance to get that Yoohoo.
And I gotta get my other weapon.
I told you I'll get that last Yoohoo.
Oh, not yet, you haven't got it, buddy. It's not over with yet. I told you I would get the last Yoohoo. My Yoohoo. I told him I'd have that last Yoohoo. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, hit that like button. Definitely hit that subscribe before he wakes up and comes back at me. Until next time, happy Yoohoo.